Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the Glacier Fresh Ultra Compact Under the Sink Water Filtration System. That's going to give you 3 different filters that your water is going to run through. They also include this very nice water spigot that we're going to go ahead and install, and then this will just allow you to get that fresh water. Now you can tap into your cold water that's near your kitchen sink. They give you all the bits and bobs to get it mounted, and they give you the actual hoses too as well to get everything hooked up. The unit itself is pretty straightforward. And again, it's compact. It won't take up much space in your cabinet under the sink. And you can see here we have an inlet and an outlet. And that's it. You don't need any powers, no electricity to run this thing. You do get 3 filters that are already pre-installed, but they make it super easy. Once it does come time to replace these, there's a lock and unlock. So you'll slide this down and pull it right out. Look how easy that was. And then you can go ahead and replace these. Putting them back is just as easy. You slide them in, and then you put it in the lock position. And once you're flush, you know you're locked. Now these 2, the top one and the bottom one, so your pre-filter down here and the CTO filter down here, those will last you about 6 months. But this ultra filter here, this UF one, this is good for 12 months. So this will get you about 12 months of use. So go ahead and write that down so you know every year to change that middle one out. But these top and bottom ones are going to be 6 months of use, which is a decent amount of water you're going to be able to drink, making sure that you get fresh, clean water, because this is filtering out to the smallest micron of like 0.01, which is an ultrafiltration, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like under the sink, and I'll show you the water coming out. All right, I did get it installed, and you can see here, it just tucks in nicely back there, and I still have room to put all my chemicals and cleaning supplies in front of it or behind it, but I chose to go back there. And then I had to just drill a small hole right here to get the spigot installed. And once it's installed, I actually got really good pressure out of this. This is filling up a whole lot quicker than going through like the fridge water, and you're getting that nice clean water out of those 3 filters. So I highly recommend checking out Glacier Fresh. If you're looking for an ultra compact under the sink water filtration system, definitely check them out. And a shout out to the company for gifting me these so I can do a review.